Think you need to spend money to make money? Think again. Today, we're revealing how you can pocket real cash through affiliate marketing without spending a single dime. Stick around because you won't find these insider secrets anywhere else. Affiliate marketing might sound like a realm reserved for the digital marketing elite, but it's actually a treasure chest waiting for anyone who knows how to unlock it. The first key? Choosing the right affiliate programs. Imagine you're a fitness enthusiast running a blog or a YouTube channel. You wouldn't want to promote gardening tools to your audience. Instead, fitness gadgets, health supplements, or workout programs are where your gold lies. Platforms like Amazon Associates take the guesswork out of affiliate marketing for beginners. You get access to millions of products, and there's something for every niche. However, the real magic happens when you carve out your own slice of the market. That's where niche-specific affiliate programs come into play. Are you into tech, photography, vegan cooking? There are programs tailored precisely to these interests, offering not just products, but a community of like-minded individuals. These specialized platforms often provide higher commission rates than the giants. Yes, it takes a bit more digging to find them, but imagine promoting products you're passionate about and that your audience loves. That's when affiliate marketing doesn't just bring in income, it brings joy. What's crucial is alignment. Your chosen affiliate programs must resonate with your content and your audience's interests. This harmony creates authenticity, which is the backbone of successful affiliate marketing. You're not just selling, you're recommending products to your community, products that you believe in. Now, think about the vast spectrum of products available across platforms like ClickBank or even direct partnerships with brands. The possibilities are endless, but selecting the right affiliate program is not just about the commission. It's about building trust with your audience by offering them real solutions to their problems. Have you started exploring affiliate programs tailored to your channel's niche? What's one product you feel could genuinely benefit your audience? Navigating the world of affiliate marketing can seem like wandering through a dense jungle if you're not sure where to start. But guess what? You already possess the best tools for the adventure: your social media accounts. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter aren't just for keeping up with friends. They're powerful vehicles for your affiliate marketing quests. Imagine turning your regular posts into opportunities that not only engage, but also benefit your audience and you. But how do you harness this power effectively? The key is authenticity and value. For instance, when you share a product on Instagram, don't just post a link. Show your followers how it fits into your life. Maybe it's a new tech gadget that's made your work from home setup more efficient. Use stories or reels to give a behind-the-scenes look at how it works. Now, what about the longer, more detailed content? That's where blogging platforms like WordPress.com or Blogger shine. They're your canvas for painting a detailed picture of your experience with a product. Through these posts, you can provide the kind of in-depth reviews and guides that not only boost SEO, but also establish you as a trusted authority in your niche. YouTube takes this to another level, allowing you to engage with your audience through video content. Reviewing products, tutorials, unboxings, videos like these not only showcase the products, but also your genuine reaction to them, building a deeper connection and trust with your viewers. Remember, the foundation of all this is consistency. It's not about posting once in a blue moon, but creating a steady stream of content that your audience can look forward to. Combine this with a focus on providing real value, and you're not just promoting products. You're solving problems and enriching lives. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Creating engaging and informative content that seamlessly integrates affiliate links isn't just about boosting your income, it's about building trust with your audience. Imagine this: you're browsing through your favorite blog, and there it is, a product recommendation that feels like it was made just for you. That's the power of content creation done right. Now, how do you replicate this for your audience? First up, how-to guides. These are golden because they not only present a problem, but also offer a solution, and that solution can be the product you're affiliated with. Picture yourself demonstrating a step-by-step guide on setting up a smart home system. Your viewers are not just learning from you, They're also getting introduced to gadgets that could make their life easier, gadgets that they can purchase through your affiliate links. Next, product reviews. There's something about a well-detailed review that reads like advice from a friend. By sharing your honest opinion, what you loved, and even what didn't quite hit the mark, you help your readers make informed decisions. And when your review includes an affiliate link, it's like giving them a nudge in the right direction should they decide to make a purchase. Then there are comparison posts. Faced with options, who doesn't love a good side-by-side comparison to help make up their mind? Whether it's comparing software, gadgets, or beauty products, these posts can significantly influence purchasing decisions. They provide a clear perspective on what's available, helping your audience choose what's best for them again through your affiliate links. Lastly, educational content that aligns with your affiliate offerings can be incredibly effective. Imagine you're promoting fitness equipment. Creating content that educates your audience about different workout routines not only establishes you as an authority, but also naturally integrates products they can use to achieve their fitness goals. Which of these content creation strategies do you think would work best for you? And how could you implement it to not only offer value, but also enhance your affiliate marketing efforts? Envision you've just crafted the most insightful piece of content on the web. Yet there's a twist, no one can find it. It's like having a treasure map with no X marking the spot. This is where the magic of SEO or search engine optimization comes into play. It's your digital X, guiding the vast internet ocean straight to your treasure, your content. Starting with keyword research, think of it as tuning into the conversation your audience is already having. What words are they typing into search bars? By identifying these phrases, you can tailor your content to answer their queries directly. It's like knowing the exact spot to place your X on the map. Now, with the right keywords in hand, it's time to sprinkle them into your titles and descriptions. Why? Because these are the billboards for your content. A well-optimized title acts as a beacon, signaling to search engines that your content is relevant, thereby boosting its visibility to searchers. But wait, there's more. Creating quality backlinks is akin to establishing well-trodden paths to your treasure. When reputable sites link back to your content, it's like they're saying, "Hey, this is worth checking out," to both search engines and potential visitors, boosting your site's credibility and ranking. I've just unveiled some basic yet pivotal SEO strategies to elevate your content's visibility. Which of these strategies do you think you'll implement first, and how do you foresee it transforming your content's reach? Imagine stepping into a room where every voice is heard, every question is answered, and every piece of feedback feels like a valuable contribution to a greater conversation. This isn't just any room, it's the vibrant community you've built around your brand. The power of engagement cannot be overstated. When you actively interact with your audience through comments, social media exchanges, or even by fostering a dedicated forum, you're not just talking at them, you're talking with them. This dialogue, this connection, it's the golden key to not just audience growth, but also to driving meaningful interactions that can significantly boost conversion rates. Now think about the last time someone replied to your comment on a social post or a forum. How did it make you feel? Noticed? Valued? That's exactly how each interaction makes your audience feel. It transforms passive viewers into active participants in your brand story. And here's the kicker, it's these participants who are more likely to engage deeply with your content, advocate for your brand, and yes, make a purchase. But building a thriving online community isn't just about replying to comments or posting regularly on social media. It's about creating a space where your audience feels safe, supported, and excited to contribute. Whether it's through hosting questions and answers sessions, encouraging user-generated content, or creating exclusive groups or forums where your audience can gather, each of these actions strengthens the bond with your audience. And remember, the strongest communities are built on genuine connections. By showing your audience that there's a real, caring human behind the brand, you're laying the groundwork for lasting relationships. These relationships are the bedrock of not just a loyal customer base, but a thriving community that grows organically. Have you experienced a moment when engaging directly with a brand transformed your perception of them or even led you to make a purchase? Share your thoughts in the comments below.